So hello all, in this video we will be discussing questions on combinations. Before that, let's discuss this formula. This is one new formula, NCR plus NCR minus 1 is equal to N plus 1 CR. So let's prove it. So NCR means, what is NCR? NCR means N factorial upon N minus R factorial, right, plus N factorial upon N minus R. Minus 1 means plus 1 because minus we have outside, so N minus R plus 1 factorial, R minus 1 factorial, right. Now this we can write down as N factorial upon N minus R factorial. This R factorial can be written as R multiplied by R minus 1 factorial, right, plus N factorial upon this N minus R plus 1. So N minus R plus 1 multiplied by N minus R factorial, R minus 1 factorial, right. This we can write down. Now we can take common, right, N minus, so let's take common from these two things. So N factorial upon N minus R factorial and R minus 1 factorial we have taken common, right. So inside we have what, 1 upon, here we have R factor, R multiplied by, here we R plus we have 1 upon, from here we have N minus R plus 1, right. So this we have. So let's take LCM. So on taking LCM we have, so while taking LCM we have, this will become N factorial upon R minus 1 factorial and minus R factorial as it is, and in brackets this will be LCM will be R multiplied by N minus R plus 1. So here it will be N minus R plus 1 plus R, right. So R to R get cancelled, right. So here we have N factorial upon N minus R factorial as it is, N minus R factorial, R minus 1 factorial as it is. This is R minus 1 factorial, bracket. Now here we have N plus 1, right, upon, what do we have, R multiplied by N minus R plus 1, right. So if we see this, this is N factorial multiplied by N plus 1, or we can say N plus 1 multiplied by N factorial. So can we say this is N plus 1 factorial? What is N plus 1 factorial? N plus 1 multiplied by N factorial. So this is, here we have, upon N minus R, and this is N minus R plus 1, right. So can we say this is N plus 1 minus R factorial, right. So we can say N plus 1 minus R factorial, this one, these two expressions, and here we have R multiplied by R minus 1 factorial. So can we say this is R factorial, right. So this is what, this is N plus 1 CR. So this is what, N plus 1 CR. If we see, this is N plus 1 CR. So hence proved. So this formula we can use wherever we find NCR plus NCR minus 1, which is equal to N plus 1 CR. So we can directly replace these two values as N plus 1 CR. So I hope it is clear to you. Now let's see these questions. A committee of 3 members, 3 persons is to be constituted from a group of 2 men and 3 women. So here we can see we choose 3 persons, so order is not important. So we can use this combinations here. We have to use combination here because order of person is not important at all. So a committee of 3 persons is to be constituted from a group of 2 men and 3 women. In how many ways this can be done? Now total cases are how many? Answer, total persons is equal to 2 men and 3 women. So 2 men and 3 women means 5 persons total, right. So total we have 5 persons. So out of these 5 persons, we have to choose a committee of 3 persons. So total possible ways will be equal to, we have to choose means combination. So 5C, the formula is NCR, so which is 5C. Now how many persons we have to choose? 3. So this will be 5 factorial upon 5 minus 3 factorial, 3 factorial, right? So 5 multiply 4 multiply 3 factorial upon 5 minus 3 is 2 factorial, 2 factorial is 2 itself, 2 multiply 1 is 2, multiply by 3 factorial, right? So 3 to 3 get cancelled, 5, 2, 4 times 2 times 4, 5 multiply 2 is 10, so 10 ways are there. This is simple calculation. So 10 ways are there by which we can choose a committee of 3 persons out of 5 persons. Now how many of these committees would consist of 1 man and 2 women? And means multiply, always remember. So for choosing 1 man, MN, number of possible ways means how many total men we have? 2. So out of which we have to choose only 1. So this is 2 factorial upon 1 factorial, right? So 1 factorial is 1 itself, so this is 2, right? For 2 women, so 2 women we have, how many women we have? 3. So 3C2, so which is what? 3 factorial upon 3 minus 2 factorial, 2 factorial, so which is 3 multiplier 2 upon 1 multiplier 2, 2 to 2 cancel, this is 3, right? So and is here, right? Consist of 1 man and 2 women. And means product, always remember. So total ways for choosing 3 persons in this, with this condition, will be 2C1 multiply, and means multiply 3C2, right? So this is what? 2 multiply 3, which is 6 ways. So our answer is 6 ways. If this is the condition, this is second part and this is first part. So if this is the condition, we have to follow this condition. And always remember, and means multiply, product. So product we have taken. So to be more clear with this topic, let's move on to next question. So in next question we have, what is the number of ways of choosing 4 cards from a pack of 52 playing cards? In how many of these 4 cards are of the same suit? Same suit means how many different in a card? Let me tell you. There are 52 playing cards, right? This is just a discussion we are doing. 52 playing cards are of 2 colors, red and black, right? So red color 26 cards or 26 black cards, right? So out of these 26 red cards we have 2 categories. Out of these black cards we have 2 categories. Each of them have 13 cards, right? The categories are this, we have club, here we have spade, diamond. So club, spade, diamond, heart, spade we have here, spade, and here we have heart, right? So out of these 13 cards we have, out of only these 13 cards, right? Firstly let's discuss 13 cards. So out of 13 cards we have 3 face cards, 1 ace, and 9 numbered cards, right? Out of 52 playing cards, 52 cards, we have 12 face cards and 4 ace, 4 of each type, 4 ace, 4 king, 4 queen, and this 36 numbered cards, right? So now let's come back to the question. So if you want to note it down, just note it down, that's for your knowledge. So in how many of these 4 cards are of same suit? So 4 cards should be of same suit, means either from heart or from diamond or from club or from spade. So first part, now try to understand the language also. So possible ways is equal to all from spade or all from club or all from diamond or all from spade, club, diamond or heart, right? So or is there, always remember this, or plays an important role, right? Or is there. So all from spade, how many spade cards we have? 13. So 13C4, out of which we have to select only 4. 13C4. Or means plus. If and is there, we use multiply. If or is there, we will use plus. So or we can have all 4 cards from club, so 13C4. Or we can have all 4 cards from diamond, so 13C4. Or we can have all 4 cards from heart, so 13C4. So these are 13C4. So in this way, we can say this is 4 multiplied by 13C4, right? Or we can say this, or because of this or we have used this plus sign, always remember. Here we have used product because in the previous case it was given to us and was given to us, right? So and means product, or means plus, right? So 4 multiplied by 13C4. So 13C4 is what? 4 multiplied by 13 factorial upon 4 factorial multiplied 9 factorial. So answer of this will be 2860. So when you will solve it, it will be 2860 ways, right? So now second part. So in second part we have all 4 cards belongs to 4 different suits, right? So all 4 cards should belong to 4 different suits. So that means 1 from spade, 1 from heart, 1 from club and 1 from diamond. So second is, so possible ways. So 1 from club. So 1 from club means 13C1. All 4 cards should belong to different suits. So different suits multiply. So different suits means we want more cards. This is only 1 card. So next is 13C1. 1 more. Multiply by 13C1. Multiply by 13C1. This is for club. For selecting 1 card from club, 1 card from heart, 1 card from diamond, 1 card from spade. So why we have used multiply? Because we want 4 cards all together. We don't have any option. Here we have options. Either we can have from this one, or from this one, or from that one, or from that one. But here it is compulsion that we want 4 cards from one from each, right? So we have used this multiply sign here because we want 1 card from here, 1 card from here, 1 card from here, 1 card from here. This is what 13 upon 13 minus 1 is 12 factorial, 13 factorial upon 12 factorial, multiply by 1 factorial, right? 1 factorial. Multiply by 4, we can say 1, 2, 3, 4 are there. So 4 multiply by 13 multiply by 12 factorial upon, okay, sorry, this is not 4. This will, the power will be 4, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. The product is there, na? So power will be 4. So we can say this is 13 multiplied by 12 upon 12 factorial upon 12 factorial multiplied by 1 factorial raised to the power 4, because 4 cases are there. X multiply x multiply x multiply x is what? X raised to the power 4. So 12 factorial get cancelled. So number of possible ways will be 13 raised to the power 4. So this is our answer. So let's move on to next part, third part. So in third part, what do we have? Third part are face cards. So all the cards, all 4 cards should be face cards. So how many total face cards are there? There are total 12 face cards. So total face cards is equal to 12. So we can say n is equal to 12, right? So now possible ways is equal to 12C4, because out of 12 cards we want only 4 cards. So out of 12 face cards we want only 4 cards. So which is 12 factorial upon 4 factorial multiplied by 12 minus 4 factorial, right? So this is what? 12 factorial multiplied by 12 factorial upon we have this 4 factorial multiply by 8 factorial, right? So 12 factorial multiply 4 factorial multiply 8 factorial, so answer will be 495. So this answer is equal to 495. So this is our answer. So next part we have 4 part. I hope these parts are clear to you. You can pause the video to note it down. So always go through the language carefully. If it is or, then we have to use plus sign. If it is product, means and is there, that means we have to use product, multiply sign. Here we want all 4 cards together, so we have used product sign. Here we want 4 cards from any of one of them, so that means we have used plus sign, right? Next part we have 2 are red cards and, see, and is there, that means product. So 2 are red cards and 2 are black cards. So how many red cards are there? So we know how many red cards are there. So fourth part. Now total red cards is equal to 26. Total black cards is equal to 26. So out of these 26 cards, possible ways. So 26 cards we have to select only two cards we want from red cards, and means product. 26 out of 26 cards we want 2 cards. So 2 from red cards, 2 from black cards, and is there. So that means this is what 26 factorial upon 2 factorial, 26 minus 2 factorial, right? Whole square of this. These two are same. X multiply x is what? X square, right? So 26 factorial, this we can write down as 26 multiply by 25 multiply 24 factorial upon this is what 2 multiply by 26 minus 2 is 24 factorial. 24 to 24 get cancelled. This is 13. Now 25 multiply 3 is 75, 5 and 7. 25 multiply 1 is 25 and 7, 32. So 325 possible ways are there by which we can 325 square of this, right? Square of this. So 325 square is 105625. So which is 105625 possible ways are there by which we can select 2 cards from red and 2 cards of black, right? So I hope it is clear to you. Just pause the video to note it down. Next we have fifth part. So in fifth part we have cards are of same color. So cards are of same color. So either we can select 4 cards, all 4 cards from red cards, or we can select all 4 cards of black color, right? So fifth part. So total red cards is again 26 and black cards are 26. Now we have to select either 4 cards from this or 4 cards from this. So or means plus. So two possible ways is equal to 26 C4, or means plus 26 C4. This is for red card if we select all 4 cards of red color. If we select all 4 cards of black color, so this is for that. So 26 factorial upon 4 factorial multiply by 26 minus 4 factorial, right? Multiply by 2 we can say, because these two are same. X plus x is 2x, right? So this will be what? On simplification, this will be 26 factorial upon 4 factorial multiply by 22 factorial multiply by 2, right? So when we'll solve this will be equal to 29900. So answer of it will be 29900. So this is our answer. Just pause the video to note it down. So this is how we did these possible parts. So I hope with these parts combination topic is clear to you. So just subscribe my channel to see the upcoming videos, or for upcoming notifications just don't forget to press the bell icon. So in the next video we will be solving some more questions on this combinations. So hope to see you there. Bye bye, take care.